you doing out there, everybody? Well, I just got home from Manila last night. Today's election day here in the Philippines. I don't want to be in Manila during any political situation, so I came home. But I will be going back to Manila very, very soon. Possibly tomorrow. I haven't decided yet, though. Anyway, I'm headed down to the Sawmill area. One of my subscribers has a special request. He wants me to go down and check out where Mark from Overstay Road used to live. So, I'm always up early. So, here I go. Waiting for the jeepney now, or a bus. So far, nothing. Okay, I've arrived at the Sawmill area, which is... that's what we call this area. Anyway, I've got a special request from one of my subscribers. Wants me to walk down the road and go to what we call Hollywood and Vine, where Mark from Overstay Road used to live. So, Tad, no problem. Always glad to do a special request if possible. So, here we go. I won't be filming everything because it takes too long to get down there. I'll just pick and choose, pick and choose. Okay, I'm still on National Highway, making my way slowly. Today is election day in the Philippines. So, I stay away from polling places and all that. It's just not good. It's a cute little store here, selling a lot of vegetables and meat. And this is still on National Highway. Okie dokie. Well, it's a nice day. It's not hot yet. Hello.
Hi. Good morning.
How are you? You're so masipag.
Thank you.
So is today a holiday?
No.
No? Because of the election?
Yeah.
Well, but it's not classified holiday, huh?
Hey.
Hi, how are you?
Doing good, man.
You have a good store. I like your location.
Yeah.
Right across from Jollibee. Uh-huh, my channel's called Subic Bay Johnny. Yeah, check it out. You'll be on there. I have a lot of friends, foreigners. Hopefully they'll see it and come over. Okay, what's your name?
My name's Charlie.
Huh?
Charlie.
Charlie?
Yeah.
That's a nice name. I think I met you before.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, because one of my friends said he wanted to meet you.
Why?
Because I meet you inside the other market, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where. And he said when he comes to the Philippines, he wants to meet Charlie. Okay, I remember that. I'll try to find his comment and let you know, okay? Okay. Okay, but right before I make the turn here, I'm still on the National Highway. A little tired for traveling, but I'm okay. Yeah, I'm not one just to sit on the couch and watch TV. Nah, that's not my style. Okay, they got a bunch of meat there hanging. Okay. I'm assuming all the bars are, at least here in the Longapore, closed today in Barreto. But we'll see. Maybe if I got time, I'll go to Barreto later. Okay, I'm gonna walk down this street. I don't know the name of it. I can't see no. Oh, St. Thomas Subdivision, Subic. St. Thomas. Okay. St. Thomas. Anyway, just gonna take a walk around, check it out. It's early, like 6 in the morning. But in the afternoon, it's just so hot. That's what I like about Manila now. I can go in these malls, fully air conditioned, and nobody seems to care what you do. But out here in Subic, man, it gets hot. Oh, this is a nice little, cute little meat market here. You got chicken, hamburger, pork chop. Yeah, they got all kind of good stuff here. And I like how their little fans are working. Oh yeah, that's pretty neat. And you actually get better deals than you do in the regular big market. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Casino. Yeah, they got all kind of good stuff. Oh, those are ribs, huh? Pork?
Pork belly.
Oh, pork belly. Okay, masarap siguro. So is this your own pig? You kill your own pig, or you have your own farm?
Farm.
Oh, great. Better than a market, you know. Oh, sige, Kuya, thank you. I'm gonna show my friends and let them come down and visit you. All right. And I'm just continuing down this St. Thomas Road. Not a whole lot of action going on here at 6 in the morning now. I plan to walk. And this is where Mark used to live, from Overstay Road. Why Mark would leave the Subic area going down to Angeles, I have no idea, but different strokes for different folks, you know what to say. This is just a different lifestyle than Angeles. I guess he's got his reasons. Anyway, Dad, you asked my wife to do this video, so here I am. Okay. I actually used to live down here myself years ago. And at one time, this used to flood a lot. I usually keep my videos down to 10 minutes, so I'm not sure how many videos I'm going to get out of walking down this street. 10 minutes, that's a good video for me. Easier to upload, and you start really getting in long videos. Nobody watches an hour video. I guess a lot of people are going to the polling places now.